How to see all your comments on YouTube. Looking for a quick and easy way to see all the comments you've posted on YouTube? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find your comments, open the videos you commented on, or delete comments you no longer want. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device, or visit YouTube on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want to find your comments. On the YouTube app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. If you're using a computer, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, go to your Google account settings. Next, select Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find My Activity and open it. You'll see different types of activity associated with your Google account. Look for YouTube History and select it. Now, instead of viewing your regular watch history, go to the Interactions section. From here, select Comments and Replies. You'll now see a list of the comments and replies you've posted on YouTube. If you want to go back to the video where you left a particular comment, simply tap the video link associated with that comment. And if there's a comment you no longer want to keep, you can select the X or Delete option next to it. Confirm the deletion, and that comment will be removed from the YouTube video. Keep in mind that the comments shown here are connected to the specific Google account you're currently signed into. So, if you have multiple YouTube accounts, make sure you're using the correct one. And that's how you can see, manage, and delete your YouTube comments quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.